couple days in my life. I haven't like vlogged in a minute, so I decided to. Today is Monday. I am actually just getting ready for work and thought I would vlog. If you guys don't know, hi, my name is Jade. I'm on a weight loss journey. I was on Ozempic for about a year. I'm still currently on it. Actually, my year anniversary was like a couple weeks ago. I'm weaning myself off of it, however, and I wanted to show you guys how I'm doing with it. Because I am scared to gain all of the weight back, because that is a thing. So, if you didn't know, yes, I was on Ozempic. My health insurance is not covering it anymore, so I will be getting off of it. I am on Phentermine as well, and I thought it was like a short-term thing for like 3 months, but my doctor let me know I can be on it for as long as I would like, as long as I'm not having any like side effects to it. So I thought that was great. Being on Phentermine is interesting. I didn't really understand it fully, but basically I don't need like coffee or energy drinks. I literally would drink those every single day because it's kind of basically gives you energy. Basically, it's a stimulant, which I didn't know what that meant. My doctor told me that. I'm like, basically it gives me enough energy that I don't need coffee or energy drinks. And I did have an energy drink because I love energy drinks, as you guys know. Love me a Red Bull. I stopped at Dutch Bros last Friday and got an energy drink, and my heart was palpitating. Like, that is a side effect, so just be careful if you're ever going to get on Phentermine to not have too much caffeine. I think you can have like a cup of coffee, but like espresso, energy drinks are a no-go on Phentermine. But other updates, I guess, is I am feeling a lot hungrier. I went down on my dose of Ozempic to 0.25, which is the lowest dose. And I think I have like 2 or 3 more weeks of that. And I have noticed that I'm hungrier, which isn't great because I really haven't felt that like hunger since being on it. But anyways, I need to get ready and get out the door. I'm gonna vlog a couple days for you guys, and yeah, just update you guys on the journey of getting off of Ozempic and being on Phentermine and how that is. But that is the quick, I guess, update on how it's going. But I'm gonna go to work and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm at the grocery store now. I just got off work. I'm just grabbing some things. I think I want to make like these sliders that I found on TikTok. So I'm just grabbing the necessities. Of course, I'm in the like cereal aisle looking at all the things that I don't need but I want. I'm also not going to work out today or tomorrow, but I think I'm going to work out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I think people are coming. I have to go. But grabbing some things, and I will talk to you guys. Maybe I'll do a haul when I get home. Oh, they have it in decaf. You guys, I can't have caffeine with my Phentermine, but I found my favorite Nescafé. It's in decaf. I didn't know that they did that. It's like, do I need it though? I definitely don't. Okay, I need to grab the things, and I will see you guys back at the house. Alright guys, I'm cooking sliders. For me, my diet is all about balance, so I won't like deprive myself. Like, this considered food isn't like the best thing to have, but I had a salad for lunch, and like, if it's within my calorie deficit, I allow it. I've always been like that. That's just since I've been on this medication, like, all about balance. I can't do like a cold turkey, like keto. It's just wouldn't work for me. It's not realistic. So It's all about the balance. So I ground up the beef, and I'll show you guys the after once I'm done. Put it back on my feet. Okay, ta-ta. Okay, I forgot I was vlogging for a second, but I just got it out the oven. I'm so hungry. I need to get like a few more minutes, so I'm just gonna... Hello? I just had a brain fart. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna cut up like 2 and have them. So I'm so excited. Okay, here they are in all of their glory. Got the melted cheese. I made a little bit of the homemade like In-N-Out sauce. This is an awkward angle. Hold on, please hold. Okay. I also made like a peach tea. I made like hibiscus tea in the fridge, and so I just mixed it with some lemonade and some peach syrup, and it's okay. It's still a little hot, but I'm going to probably turn on Jersey Shore and sit here and eat this. So I just want to show you guys me having the first bite. Yum. Okay. I am not exaggerating when I say that this is so good. I might have a third one. It's cheesy. The sauce is really good. The sauce is just like ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, relish. Mix it up, a little salt. So good. I'll try and link the TikTok down below. So good. It is a little unfortunate that no one's home to share it with because I'm just home alone today, but more for me. Okay, try this recipe. I'm gonna go watch Jersey Shore. Bye. Hey guys, it's Wednesday now. I got my nails done yesterday. I hardly vlogged yesterday. They look so cute. I'm running late. There was earthquakes at like 2 a.m. like little baby ones, but it woke me up and my sleep wasn't great, so I slept in a bit. But we're on our way to work. I thought I'd just say good morning. We're definitely gonna work out today because I haven't at all this week. And I just need to, so I'm gonna get my stuff together. We're gonna go to work and I'll see you guys sometime after that. Good morning, you guys. I haven't vlogged and I'm so sorry, but it's a Saturday. I decided to vlog today. Missed ya. I don't have anything really planned for today, but woke up about an hour ago. I was just like on TikTok on my phone. It's like 8:50 right now, so my camera battery died. I had to go scramble looking for a new one. But yeah, I'm a week off of Ozempic. I'm officially off of the medication. I'm completely just on phentermine, so I guess I can give an update later of like how that's going, but I thought I'd just share that and share my Saturday. I just made a little iced coffee. My favorite creamer is back. It's the Coffee Mate brown sugar. So good. Or like brown butter chocolate chip cookie. Anyways, I have my Kindle here and I'm gonna go outside and read because it's still pretty cool outside. I think it's gonna be so hot today, but it's like overcast right now, so I'm like, let's go take advantage. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside and read with my coffee, then we'll come back inside and make breakfast. But I thought I'd just, I'm reading a good book. Let's go outside. How's ice rolling my face also? Feels so good, especially over the eyes. Oh, so good. Okay, let's go outside and read. Come on. Oh yeah, it feels so good. feel so good right now. Okay, let's chill. Yes, please. I got gifted by this gem of a human being, my sister, my twin, Dion, oatmeal. If you guys haven't tried the Starbucks oatmeal, it is literally my favorite thing. I haven't had it in a while. So good. We're watching the Rams-Browns game. So we're big Shador fans, or I'm a big Shador fan. We're also Rams fans, obviously. That's our team. But anyways, I'm hard boiling some eggs because I really was craving, what is it called? Egg salad. Like on toast. Oh, Jan's making a face, but it just sounds really good. But I think I'll be pretty full after this, so maybe I'll have that for lunch. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, it's like an hour later. Haven't moved an inch. We're still watching the Rams Browns game. Rams are losing and Shador Sanders is not doing well. So I'm not enjoying it. But it's lunchtime. It's 12:46, basically 1 o'clock. And I was craving egg salad. So I made some egg salad. Like 2 eggs. I got some toast. Just gonna put it on some toast and call it a day. Ooh, I wish we had some paprika. Put some paprika on it. Here she is. Very good. Honestly, I have no plans today. I'm probably gonna take a nap. I was gonna go to Disney tomorrow, but my friend canceled, but it's fine. I might go by myself. I don't know. But I'm gonna eat my lunch. Probably take a nap, read my book, and just chill. But if something exciting happens, I'll let you know. Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday now. I was supposed to be going to Disneyland today. I'm really sad I don't get to go. But because I won't get to go until I get back from my trip. I'm gonna wear my new sunglasses to church. I don't know if I could pull these off. Do you think I can? We are gonna pull them off, but I typically wear like big framed glasses. I don't think I'm cool enough to wear like small ones, but we're trying it out. But anyways, I'm all ready. We're gonna go to church. It's 8:50. Church starts at 9. We're supposed to be leaving already. But I'm waiting for Jalen. So anyways, I had I made some coffee, my little to-go coffee cups, and I had a little bit of egg salad. I had one more hard-boiled egg. I just put on a piece of toast, get a little protein. We're good to go, because I'm the type of person, I wake up starving. Like I need to eat as soon as I get up for the day. So I made sure I had enough time to eat, and I guess we're gonna head out soon. See ya.
And it came to pass when Saul was returned from following the Philistines, that it was told him, saying, Behold, David.
I was going to end the vlog just like abruptly, but I was like, no, let me do a little outro. So this is editing Jade. I am just coming to end the vlog. Sorry this vlog was a little bit all over the place. I was just going to edit like from Saturday, but then I found footage from like a week or 2 ago that I just combined the two, and it turned out to be like a couple days of my life. Just a little gap in between. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I'm having more of my weight loss journey and just like sharing more about my goals and how I'm going to reach them, and just focusing in on that type of content very soon once I get back from my trip. I think I talked about it, but I didn't really say where I was going. I'm going to Mexico City this weekend for my cousin Ryan's 30th birthday. I think if I do vlog, it'll be like very short content, so maybe on my TikTok or something, but if I do vlog, I'll try and get a few little clips here and there. But yeah, when I get back, I'm gonna hit the ground running on my weight loss journey and everything like that. Update on my like actual weight gain and loss. I haven't gained any weight since being off of Ozempic for almost 2 weeks now. But I haven't lost any weight either. So I think I really need to hit the ground running on really, eating right and working out and just trying to hit all the goals I want to. So look out for that very soon. But yeah, I'm in the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.